So to start the process, you're going to want to click on the top of Salesforce, click on Dupe Eliminator. Once you open up this, you want to go to Dupe Eliminator. This is the Excel sheet that you're going to be working off. That is the properties. So from here, you want to go to Property, do the scroll down, do Property, there, and then you want to do Property Name. Property name, you want to do equals, and then go to the list, and then copy that over, put it in, hit find. That one's already done. If it's already done, you want to get here, and you just want to select, so it's done. Go to the next property. Okay, so now you see 4. Now you can only select 3 at a time. There's a limitation on the program. So click the 3, hit select. Now what you want to do is look for, if there's 2 that are the same and one's separate, default to the 2, because that means it's better likelihood that the 2 is right. What you also want to do is look for the single, the non-full cap abbreviations or breakout of whatever it is. So if this one's full capital, select this one that isn't. So this one's full capital, this one isn't. So then you go to next, and then you just scroll down, ignore the name, ignore the country, because the country is obviously United States, and then ignore these, ignore the name, scroll down. You see anything that's visible that isn't in there, you want to click on it. Click on it. Click on it. It's in. Okay. After you do that, you hit merge. Click OK. Now you have 2. Now just do the same thing. Okay. Lowercase. See how it's capital? You want the lowercase. Just go through the same thing. See if anything's different. That's the same. You can go ahead and do that. Alright. Same. And then merge. And same thing. Okay, now you only have 1. So from there, go to the next one. Same thing. Copy from Excel. Change in the value. Hit find. You have 3. You have 4. 1, 2, 3 at a time. Shadow. Okay. Lowercase. Good. Good. Okay, that's in there. Management company. Click on it. Okay, that's the same. Hit merge. Go to the next. Do that till you have 1. Merge. On this. Then there. And that's it.